Welcome back to Ignite SAT Mastery course. Today we'll be covering Module 1, Lesson 1, an overview of the SAT. Now, what exactly is the SAT? Well, it's known as the Scholastic Aptitude Test, or at least it was. This test was created almost 100 years ago, which is crazy, and we're still using the same exam, with a little bit of tweaks today. Now, this test is taken on a Scantron. You will not be writing your answers on test day in the test booklet. You'll be writing them on a separate Scantron sheet, which includes your written and math questions as well. And most importantly, what you guys are here for, the SAT is a crucial part of the college admissions process. A lot of universities, institutions, and colleges across the US consider these scores when selecting their graduating classes. Now, our goal is to help you become a master at acing the SAT. As we at Ignite like to say, we feel like making the SAT a well-practiced game is crucial. You should be knowing exactly what you're doing on test day. Now, for a breakdown of the SAT, this can be split up into two distinct parts and three sections: the reading, writing, and math sections. In the reading and writing sections, there are 52 and 44 questions respectively. The math section is a little bit different, however. There's a calculator and no calculator section. There's 20 questions in the no calculator and 38 in the calc section. Note that the math section also includes writing in answers on the Scantron sheet. As for the timing, there's 65 minutes for the reading section, 35 minutes for the writing section, 25 minutes for the math no calculator section, and 55 minutes for the math calculator section. That being noted, there are breaks on the SAT. There is actually a 10-minute break between the reading and writing section, and there's a 5-minute break between the math sections. Note, there is no break between the writing section and the non-calculator math section. Next up on the agenda, it's important to know the tested topics on the SAT. Well, we looked at a past exam from a previous student and saw their score report. The first thing to note are the cross-test scores, which show an analysis in history, social studies, and science are crucial parts of the reading and writing sections. When we take a look at the subscores, we can see a command of evidence and words in context, which is particularly important for the reading section. As for the writing section, an expression of ideas, which includes punctuation and grammar and standard English conventions, which include other ideas such as transitions. These are going to be found in the writing section. And lastly, the math section contains the heart of algebra, problem solving and data analysis, and passport to advanced math. Now, all of these ideas will be covered in our modules containing the reading, writing, and math sections. Next time, in Lesson 2, we'll be covering objective versus subjective questioning and thinking.